I love the simplicity of her program, and I love how she just breaks it down. And at the beginning, it was a little bit tough. It took me a little while to catch on, but now that I have caught on to her blessing method, how she teaches, it has simplified my life so much.
She has a wonderful way of explaining things. And one thing I enjoy too is that she's extremely passionate about what she's teaching. She wants you to win.
I have learned tons from her on how to set my process on automation, and I'm looking forward to learning even more.
Working with Erika is pretty cool because it's very easy, I guess. After the boot camp, I was like, this is great information, but I still have like a couple things that I'm trying to figure out. And so I took sales school. Hugely helpful. She's also really easy to contact. So like if I had any questions, I could just message her and be like, hey, what's this? And she'd be like, here's the answer. Usually within like 5-10 minutes too. Like super quick.
If it's kind of like an inkling in your heart that you might want to see what this is all about, I really think it'll be worth your time. It'll be worth your effort, as well as financially, it'll be worth it for you as well.
I would so recommend it because you're gonna benefit. You're here for a reason. Like you're already looking for a solution. She's the freaking solution. I promise you. I pinky promise.
I highly recommend it. She goes step by step and she goes above and beyond to make sure that you understand what you're doing and why you're doing it.
I had a quadruple increase in my sales, and that was before I had even completely finished her course. Just taking her recipe before I even fully understood it, it increased my sales like crazy. So if you're not satisfied with your sales, if you're not satisfied with your services, let Erika work it out for you and come up with a solution, and just follow her method because it's simple, it's easy, and it makes a world of a difference.